Fantasy has always been my gateway to the impossible, a realm where my creativity knows no bounds. From my earliest scribbles to the novels I've published, the lure of fantastical worlds has been a constant companion. With that in mind, let's go through 50 fantasy writing prompts. I invite you to step into the unknown, to challenge your imagination, and to craft stories that resonate with the magic and wonder of what lies beyond our reality. The last ember of hope. In a world where darkness has swallowed the lands, your protagonist discovers the last ember of hope, capable of reviving the ancient light. What quest must they embark on to use it? The broken crown. A royal heir finds the pieces of a legendary crown that promises ultimate power. Each piece is guarded by a mythical beast. How do they go about reclaiming their kingdom? The forbidden manuscript. A map hidden within an ancient forbidden manuscript reveals the path to a city of gold. But what perils guard the way? The elemental swords. 4 swords imbued with elemental powers are scattered across the realms. Who seeks them and why? The mirror of futures. A mirror that shows possible futures has been shattered into 7 pieces. Can your characters prevent the darkest of futures from becoming reality? The last dragon egg. Your protagonist finds the last dragon egg. What forces of darkness covet it? And for what purpose? The Library of Lost Voices, a library containing the knowledge of civilizations long gone beckons. But entering is a pact with eternity. Who dares to enter, and what do they seek? The Weaver's Loom, a loom that can weave fate itself, has been discovered. Who controls it, and to what end? The Celestial Tournament, a tournament where the prize is a wish granted by the gods themselves. Who are the contenders? The Gatekeeper's Riddle, a gate that leads to paradise itself, but only those who can solve the Gatekeeper's Riddle may enter. What is the riddle, and who wishes to solve it? Whispering Woods. In a forest where trees communicate and guard ancient secrets, a lost traveler hears their whispers. What do they learn? The city beneath the waves. A city submerged beneath the ocean, hidden from the modern world, is discovered by a daring marine biologist. What mysteries lie within? The mountain that eats memories. A mountain rumored to consume the memories of those who climb it. Who ventures there, and what are they hoping to forget? The crystal caverns. Vast caverns filled with crystals that can store thoughts and dreams. A thief seeks the crystal containing the secret to eternal life. The Valley of Eternal Autumn, a hidden valley where it's always autumn and the inhabitants never age. A newcomer stumbles upon it by chance. The Sky Cities, cities that float in the sky, accessible only by those who can tame the winds. What brings a ground dweller to their lofty domains? The Frozen Garden, a garden where every plant is encased in ice, preserving its beauty forever. What is its keeper's sorrow? The Library of Echoes, a library where every book contains the life story of a person still alive or long dead. A young scholar finds their own story among the shelves. The Night Market, a market that appears only at night, selling wares that can't be found in the light of day. Who runs it, and what is the price of its goods? The Bridge of Mist, a bridge that connects the world of the living with the world of the dead. A grieving person seeks to cross it, a kingdom where once a year the dead return to feast with the living. What happens when one guest refuses to leave? A night cursed to live in the shadows, unseen by the world. What quest could lift their curse? A plague that turns its victims to ash, spreading across the land. Who discovers its origin, and can they stop it? A pit that appears in the center of a city from which horrifying creatures emerge. What ancient evil has been awakened? A cult that believes the blood moon grants them unspeakable powers. What ceremony are they planning? A forest ruled by a powerful witch, feared by all. A band of rebels seeks to challenge her reign. A desperate soul makes a pact with a demon, trading their humanity for power. What is the price of such a deal? Armor that possesses those who wear it, making them invincible in battle, but at a great cost. Who dares to don it? A tower that appears overnight, home to a necromancer who seeks to conquer the dead and the living. Who can stop them? A town where shadows whisper secrets to those who walk at night. What truth is too dangerous to be known? Enchanted forest with glowing trees whispers secrets of ancient magic. A young peasant discovers a sword lodged in a stone said to be the key to uniting the kingdom. Who is worthy to wield it? A phoenix, thought to be extinct, is reborn from its ashes. What role does it play in the fate of the world? A labyrinth that traps those who enter, guarded by a monstrous minotaur. Who dares to navigate its twists and turns? A sailor hears the haunting song of sirens, drawing them toward treacherous waters. What do they seek beyond the waves? A curse that turns those who gaze upon Medusa to stone. Who seeks to break it, and at what cost? A quest to find King Arthur's legendary sword, said to grant its wielder unrivaled power. Who is worthy of such a weapon? The story of Prometheus, who stole fire from the gods to give to humanity. What consequences follow his act of rebellion? The Valkyries descend from the heavens to claim the souls of fallen warriors. What do they see in the heart of a hero? A trickster god challenges mortals to a game with high stakes. What do they stand to win or lose? Orpheus descends into the underworld to retrieve his beloved Eurydice. Can he resist the temptation to look back? In a world ravaged by environmental catastrophe, the last remaining city struggles to survive. What hope remains for humanity? A utopian society where every need is met, but at what cost? What flaws lie beneath the surface of perfection? A rebellion rises against a tyrannical government that promises safety in exchange for freedom. What sacrifices must be made for true liberation? A colony on a distant planet loses contact with Earth and must fend for themselves. What secrets do they uncover about their new home? A society divided between the privileged elite and the oppressed masses. What sparks the flames of revolution? A society where technology reigns supreme, blurring the lines between humanity and machines. What happens when the machine, a secluded paradise where nature thrives in harmony with humanity? What dangers lurk beyond its borders? A social experiment gone awry, where citizens are pawns in a game of power and control. Who will defy the rules and break free? A world where a single entity rules over all, enforcing peace through absolute control. What resistance movements emerge in the shadows? A glimmer of hope shines through the darkness, promising a better future for those who dare to fight for it.